A new era for transport in Melbourne will start on February 1. Metro Frequent 130 will meet the diverse travel needs of Melbourne's expanding population. It will form the spine of a truly spontaneous network that gets you where you want, when you want. No timetable or journey planning required. Metro Frequent 130 is a new deal for the passenger. Turn up at one of its 22 stations, anywhere between West Footscray and Dandenong, and it does the rest. I'm at West Footscray, 9 kilometres west of the Melbourne CBD. Trains here currently run a peak type commuter service. They're frequent for a few hours of the day, no more than 20 hours a week all up, but at other times they're infrequent, with 20, 30 and even sometimes 40-minute gaps between trains. That can make trains slower than driving, cycling or even walking for much of the day, just because of their low frequency. Their limited timetables have not kept up with a city of 5 million people and growing. And it's inefficient, with millions of dollars worth of trains sitting idle for all but a few hours a day. Fortunately, this is changing. Transport will be transformed. Trains will no longer just be about the commute to work, but become useful for many other trips besides. Trains are about to become 2, 3 and even 4 times as frequent here at West Footscray. Metro Frequent 130 will deliver trains every 10 minutes or better for 130 hours per week. This will apply from West Footscray all the way to Dandenong via 5 new Metro Tunnel stations at Arden, Parkville, State Library, Town Hall and Anzac. And at the Dandenong end, there'll be 30 hours more frequent service per week, with far more evening and Sunday morning trains. With frequent service approximately 18 hours per day, you'll not need to think about the timetable almost any time you need to travel. Other stations also get improvements. Tottenham to Water Gardens will get a big boost too, with frequent service approximately 15 hours on weekdays and 9 hours on weekends, or 90 per week all up. And outer portions to Sunbury, East Pakenham and Cranbourne will have a maximum 20-minute wait first to last train, joining the already upgraded Frankston, Werribee and Williamstown lines. Metro Frequent 130 will get people to new destinations not previously served by rail, such as Melbourne University, hospitals and the Botanic Gardens. Many stations will have connections to other trains, trams and buses. All train platforms and directions are the same, first to last. No transposals or last-minute platform changes. This delivers certainty and significant accessibility benefits for passengers. All for just $11.40 a day, with free travel for under 18s and also seniors on weekends. Timetables transform transport, a truism perhaps less known in Melbourne than in other cities. However, Metro Frequent 130 is a great first start, with good prospects for success at its 22 stations. With 10-minute service already existing or proposed for part of the week, opportunities exist to cost-effectively extend the concept to 68 more stations. and there's scope to extend Metro Frequent 130 further into growth areas, with Craigieburn, Werribee, Sunbury and Mernda particularly promising. Delivery of this is essential for Victoria to get the most benefit from its infrastructure investments, including level crossing removals and the Metro Tunnel.